Hi, welcome to our latest listing at 39728 Charles Henry Place in the beautiful Waterford, Virginia.
Come and check out this house. It is truly amazing. It's sitting on 3 acres on a hill. You have amazing views from all around 360. And wow, it's on Waterford, Virginia, so it's close to everything, but it almost feels like you're in the middle of wine country.
Yeah, it's very private, very secluded, and I love the fact that you can have a hop, skip, and jump to Leesburg and just a short ride away to DC.
And the airports.
That's right. So this house is fantastic for families and entertaining. It's got 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and it's got widespread spaces. You can easily have family gatherings and functions, even just outside of this beautiful rolling countryside.
And the deck is truly spectacular. You have to come and check it out. Let's go.
Step inside the Charles Henry house, and you're greeted with a sunlit foyer that flows seamlessly into the living and dining areas. The main level was designed for both elegance and function. I just love this open concept design. The coffered ceiling is beautiful, lots of natural light, big windows, and a gas fireplace. With a flick of a switch, you can be in heaven.
Check out this amazing kitchen. I mean, this island is beautiful for entertaining, for cooking, for seating. And then you turn around the perimeter, more counter space. And check out this hexagon backsplash. Wow. And then of course, this whole open area for the breakfast table, and it flows directly into this beautiful sunroom. All windows on 3 sides and the door directly to the deck, all on 1 level.
The upstairs level offers comfort and privacy for the whole family. The primary suite is a serene retreat with a spa-inspired bathroom featuring sleek new shower doors, updated fixtures, and a very calming aesthetic. Each of the secondary bedrooms have been updated with fresh carpet and plenty of natural light, creating warm, welcoming spaces. With multiple full baths on this level, the layout was designed to make mornings easy and organized for everyone.
So what's your favorite part of this house?
Francisca, I love the entertaining space in the basement. It's got a wet bar, it's got a separate entertaining theater, and a game room.
Wow.
This level also includes a home gym, multi-purpose room, and the 5th bedroom and full bath for your guests.
Actually, my favorite part of the house is the main floor. I mean, you literally walk in and you have complete open concept, kitchen, living, dining, it's all 1 floor plan. And then you walk right into this huge deck where you're surrounded by this amazing 3 acres of luscious hills. It's just beautiful, and it's so private.
Yeah, it's private and serene and quiet and perfect for raising a family.
Yeah.
It's very rare to find a property on the market in this community.
It is owner-occupied, so we're showing by appointment only. You'll go onto showing time to schedule with us.
You can also check out our contact information in the comments below, and then we will schedule a time that works for everyone to show you the house. I can't wait to meet you.
Looking forward to seeing you guys here.